We are pleased to show you the 2026 Atlas Cross Sport. The Volkswagen Atlas Cross Sport screams luxury. With its eloquent exterior body lines and its plethora of interior features, this is surely a vehicle you'll want to take a look at. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, rear spoiler, turbocharged, panoramic roof, tow hitch, heated mirrors, all-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, power liftgate, daytime running lights. Create lasting memories with your loved ones on unforgettable road trips.